Military analysts around the globe share the same as I do. The Russian winter offensive has entirely failed. We can see that in all sectors. No matter whether you look at Vuhledar, Kreminna, Kupiansk, Zaporizhia, and yes, even Bakhmut, the Russian advances were little or not even existent. Russia wasted huge amount of resources and gained almost nothing in return. In the contrary, they are no more than ever under threat to lose more. And in Svatove, T-64BM-2 of the Ukrainian 92nd Separate Mechanized Brigade fires at Russian positions in winter. Video from Ukraine's Terra unit showing UAV-corrected artillery strikes on a Russian observation post and bunker near Bakhmut. It takes several rounds until they achieve a direct hit on the bunker. Putin didn't receive any applause in the end of his speech, so he had to fill in the silence and still didn't receive applause. Beware, this is very cringe.
Все. На этом, к сожалению, церемония у нас заканчивается, потому что санитарные ограничения до сих пор действуют. Нам не удастся с вами поговорить лично, но в ходе вашей работы, уверен, такая возможность еще неоднократно представится. Всего вам самого доброго. Благодарю вас. Все хорошо.
All the best.
The next group of volunteers completed the basic military training and joined the Azov family as part of Ukrainian National Guard's Azov brigade. The fighters took an oath to Ukrainian nation and are ready to defend the country.
Треба буде жити разом, якщо треба помирати за нашу країну. Але помирати ми будемо разом, і вбивати ми будемо разом.
Я хочу привітати вас у нашій великій сім'ї в Азові.
Це з гідністю. Маю зв'язок.
І сподіваюся, що ви гідно будете стояти поруч з нами пліч-опліч.
Вступаю на військову службу і урочисто присягаю. Українській нації завжди бути і вірним, і вірним. Українській нації завжди бути і вірним, і вірним.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.